What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Stasia, and I'm back again with another one. Now, today's video will be featuring HERAREMY wigs.com. I believe I said that right. If I did not, please forgive me. But all of the info on this unit, on their website period, will be left down below in the description box. So if you guys would love to see, not necessarily see, but if you would love to know all the details and all that good stuff about this unit, please feel free to sit back, relax, and keep on watching. All right, y'all, so initially I was going to be doing like a mini get ready with me tutorial, just on a simple look. My allergies and sinuses are killing me today, so I decided not to do any eyeshadow, just something real simple. My eyes are running, so I just did like just plain basic wing line and whatever. So anyway, yeah, I did use the Juvia's Place foundation, and before I used Angola and Tanzania. I didn't use those today, but I used Kano, I think. Kano, I'm not sure, but it's Kano, and that's in the number 150. That is a chocolate as well. I'm not sure if this has a warm undertone. I believe it did. That's what made me pick it up. I'm not sure, but yeah, Kano 150. The rest of the products I use are repetitive. I just constantly use the same stuff. So anyway, let's get on into this wig. So the wig I'll be reviewing today is by HERAREMY, I believe. Yes. Yeah, so this website is known for HERAREMY.com. It says it right here. They are known for their synthetic units. So yes, this is a synthetic unit, you guys, and I'm excited to do a review on this. I saw another girl on YouTube do a review on this same exact wig, and I fell in love with it from the looks, like how it looked on her. And mind you, this wig was only $21.50. No discount code, nothing. That was the original price for it. The name of this wig is called Coco. And so before I show y'all the unit and everything that came in this box, I will let y'all know the details on it. So I placed the order for this wig on September 21st. Can't remember what day that was, but that was September 21st, and they shipped it out on September 23rd. So I will say, yeah, with shipping, I did pay $9.85 for shipping, and that's because I wanted it. I did express shipping, like 3-day shipping, because with 3-day shipping it's $9.85. But if you do like a week shipping, like regular shipping, it was like almost $6. So why would I not pay $3 and some change more to get it faster? So I don't know, that's just how I am. Some people might be like, no, I'd rather save my extra coins and get it in a week than to get it in 3 days. I don't care. Me, I'd rather spend $3 extra and have it faster. That's just how I am. So anyway, yes, so this wig is Coco. It is 22 inches. It's in the color 613. And like I said, it was $21.50 before tax. And matter of fact, I don't even think they charge tax, because I don't even see nothing about tax on here. I did order 2 wigs, but so the total for both wigs was $45. The shipping was $9.85. So the total, complete total with shipping, came out to $54.85. So you can't beat that at all. But anyway, like I said, I ordered it on the 21st, received it, it shipped out on the 23rd, and I think I received it the day before yesterday or something like that. What was yesterday? I don't know. But anyway, I received it within like, what, 2 days of them shipping it out, or a day after they shipped it out. 2 days after they, whatever. So anyway, yeah. It also came with their little brochure in the inside or whatever. No, matter of fact, this isn't a brochure. It's just a little pamphlet card, whatever you want to call those things, letting you know the rest of the stuff, the goodies that they do sell on their website. That's that. The wig came inside of a net. Okay, so this is Coco. Cocoa is definitely long. It's coming up real yellowish on the camera, but I mean, hey. And in the inside, it has the 2 combs. As you can see, 2 combs right there. It has a comb in the back and the adjustable straps. It is just a part for the lace right there. It's not like a full, you know, closure or lace front or whatever the case may be, but the lace does go all the way across, but it does just not goes all the way back. So, but that's fine with me because I mean, this is synthetic anyway, so I'm not trying to do the most with it. All right, y'all, so as y'all can see, I have the wig on. I'm definitely getting some shedding. Not too bad, but it's enough. Not too bad. But that's obviously because I cut the lace off. Whenever you cut lace, I don't care if it's human or synthetic, you are definitely going to experience some shedding. So, yeah. But like I said, nothing too bad. But anyway, yeah, so ooh, y'all. So this is the wig. So let me see what I'm about to do, because this is definitely not going to stay like this. Okay, so I am going to take a little bit of my one of my foundations and just dab this into like the parting area. Okay, the lashes doing the most underneath it. But anyway, yeah, so it's definitely like a yaki textured unit. Yeah, you can see the ridges. But yeah, it's like a yaki texture unit, which I love, love, love. I'm not like an expert on synthetic wigs at all. I do not own a lot of synthetic wigs. This is actually like my, honest to God, second synthetic wig, but I've definitely been wanting to try out some for obvious reasons. For one, they are a lot more affordable. For two, I mean, I do switch my wigs up a lot, and it's like, to me, synthetic ones are a little bit more convenient because whatever style it comes in, that's the style it's going to stay in unless it gets old and it's like, okay, now it's trash. But yeah, so it's like you don't have to worry about putting all that heat on it every day, trying to fix it and this and the curls dropping and that. No, okay, whatever it come like, that's what it's gonna stay as until it get old and dirty and it need to go in the trash. But anyway, yeah, so I'm starting to be a little semi-advocate for synthetic units. Like, I'm falling in love with them just a little bit. The ones that are nice and of good quality. So even though this unit right here was definitely cheap and reasonable, to me, just the feel of it and especially that yaki texture, I'm loving. Like, to each their own. Some women love that little silky, shiny look. I personally do not. The coarser the better. And it's not real coarse, but it does, like, as you can see, it had like the little ridges in it, that yaki texture, and that's what I'm feeling about it the most, because it's not all stringy and all of that. But yeah. And I also feel like synthetic units are perfect for women, men, whoever, who are trying to step out of their comfort zone and wear color. Like this platinum blonde wig, okay? If you want to try platinum blonde, but to me personally, you don't know if you're going to like it or not, why would you go ahead and spend hundreds of dollars on a unit that you don't even know? See, I mean, personally, I wouldn't do that if I don't feel like I'll be comfortable in it. You know what I mean? But if you want to try a nice looking, unit that's platinum blonde or whatever color the case may be, you can go ahead and do that at a more affordable price. And if you like it, then okay, boom, rock with it. And then get you some Brazilian whatever and rock with it in that color. But if you buy it and you see like, oh nah, I'm not feeling this at all, and you only paid $20 for it, girl, get that $20 damn wig away or throw that shit in the trash. But if not, like, you know what I mean, now you done lucked up. And you done got you something that you feel like, oh, okay, like I can really rock with this. And then you go ahead and you invest your money into one that's, more expensive or whatever the case may be. Last you a little bit longer. But, yeah, so I think I covered all of the perks and everything. Like I said, their shipping is very fast. Customer service is really fast. I mean, really nice or whatever. They get back to you at a speedy time if you have anything, any questions, concerns or whatever. Yeah, like I said, 22 inches. Let me stand up so y'all can see the back. Trying to stand on my tippy toes so y'all can see. But anyway, yeah, so that is the back of it. As you can see, it's pretty long. It comes literally at the top of my butt. Anyway, that wraps up this video, you guys. I really hope you enjoyed it. Please do not forget to like, comment, and definitely subscribe. I look forward to seeing y'all in the next one, and I thank y'all so much. Bye, y'all.